If you've been searching for the best newly released AI software, you're in the right place. In this Genius AI review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before deciding if this software is worth your time. Trust me, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what Genius AI can do and whether it's the right fit for you. First off, let's talk about what Genius AI actually does. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill software. Genius AI is designed to automate tasks that would usually take hours, helping you save time and focus on growing your business or brand. Whether you're managing digital marketing campaigns, handling client interactions, or analyzing data, this AI is here to take your work to the next level. And it's user-friendly, so you won't need to be a tech expert to get the most out of it. Now, here's the best part. You can try Genius AI completely free from the first link in the description below. If you're on the fence, this is a great chance to explore its features without committing. But be warned, after you see how much time and effort it saves you, you'll probably never look back. One of the first things that sets Genius AI apart from other software is its deep learning capabilities. It doesn't just make decisions based on pre-programmed logic. Instead, it continuously improves and adapts to your usage patterns. So, the more you use it, the smarter it gets. This isn't just another plug-and-play tool. It learns from your inputs and tailors its functionality to fit your needs. Another key feature is its integration capabilities. Genius AI works seamlessly with many of the tools you're probably already using, whether it's social media platforms, CRMs, or project management tools. It consolidates all your workflows into one platform, making it easy to manage everything in one place. If you've ever found yourself switching between apps to get your work done, Genius AI can solve that problem for you. For those of you in digital marketing, this software shines in campaign optimization. It uses AI to analyze performance data and recommends improvements for your ads or outreach strategies. No more guessing games. Genius AI gives you actionable insights to improve your ROI without you having to do the heavy lifting. But it's not all about marketing and business. Genius AI also boasts a highly responsive customer support system that's available 24/7. So if you run into any issues or have questions while using the software, rest assured that help is just a click away. This feature alone makes it stand out in an industry where support often feels like an afterthought. As for the design and user experience, Genius AI is minimalistic yet powerful. It's easy to navigate, so you don't have to waste time learning how to use it. Whether you're a tech beginner or a seasoned pro, the interface is intuitive, which means less time spent figuring things out and more time spent on what matters most, your business. Now, if you're concerned about the pricing, don't worry. Genius AI offers flexible pricing plans that cater to all types of users, from freelancers to large enterprises. You can start with a free trial, and when you're ready, you can choose the plan that fits your business needs without any hidden fees. Lastly, let's talk security. In today's digital world, security is non-negotiable. Genius AI prioritizes data protection with top-tier encryption, so you can rest easy knowing that your information is safe. Whether you're storing client details or sensitive business data, this software has you covered. If you're someone who's tried countless AI tools and found them lacking, Genius AI might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. From its deep learning capabilities to seamless integration with your favorite tools, it's built to save you time and effort while driving real results. And remember, you can try Genius AI for free through the link in the description. I've tested thousands of AI softwares, and this one truly stands out for its ability to simplify complex tasks and improve productivity. If you're interested in other AI tools I recommend, check the description below for links to more options you can try. I've tested them all, so you don't have to. Let's get you set up with the best tech to elevate your business.